Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope your new year has started with a fresh note. I dedicate this vlog to my father who taught me cooking. I wish he was there today to taste this dish. So now I will be sharing my father's secret recipe and his favorite too. That is chicken shakuti, the Goan curry. Do watch this vlog till the end. So let's get started. Chicken shakuti is a unique dish that consists of poppy seeds and Kashmiri chilies. The word shakuti is derived from the word chakuti, which is a Portuguese word actually. So let's check out how the famous Goan chicken shakuti is made. Here I have taken half kg chicken, which is marinated with turmeric. And then I have used 1 teaspoon of homemade ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. And I have kept this for around 1 hour for marination. Now let's check the shakuti masala. What are the ingredients that I have taken? Here, as you can see, I have used 1 Kashmiri red chili. Then there are 4 dry red chilies, few black peppercorns. Then I have taken 2 cinnamon sticks. There is 1 black elaichi, as you can see here. Then there is a small piece of dagad phool. Here it is. And there is javitri. Then I have used 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Then there are 4 lavang. Then there is 3 green elaichi. Then I have used 1 bay leaf, or it is called as tej patta. Then there is 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Then I have used half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then as you can see here, I have used a small piece of nutmeg. There is half teaspoon of khaskhas. Now this is called as the poppy seeds or khaskhas. I have taken that half teaspoon. Then I have used 2 cloves of garlic, which is with skin. I have not removed the skin. And then I have used 2 full onions. Then 2 full chopped tomatoes, and finally the coconut oil. And the most important ingredient in this dish is the fresh grated coconut that I have used, and little bit of curry leaves, which is required for this dish for making the shakuti masala. So these are the ingredients that are required for this particular dish. So let's start with the method. My cast iron is well heated right now. So at this point, I have used 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here I am using coconut oil. And now is the time we add chopped onions. Don't put the whole onions, you keep half of it, as we will require the onions for the next procedure that we'll be using. Saute them nicely till they become brown. The onions have become slightly brown. Now is the time we add all these ingredients that I had already mentioned before to this pan. Let the masala roast nicely till you get that lovely aroma. And see to it that the flame is at medium low. This shakuti masala is roasted well now. Let it cool for some time. After it is cooled, then we can grind it. My masala is ready. Now here I have taken clay pot. It's heating well. Now is the time we add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onions and curry leaves. And saute them till they are brown. If you are using clay pot for this recipe, do remember to keep your flame on medium low. Don't keep it high, otherwise there are chances of breakage. The onions have become slightly brown. Now is the time we add the chopped tomatoes and saute them as well. Till they cook. Now we can add the shakuti masala in this. Nicely, you just stir it. Let it cook. Don't throw it away. You can include this in the curry itself. And now we add this marinated chicken. Now you can add salt as per your taste. Stir it. Stir it. Now let the chicken cook. My chicken shakuti is ready. You can garnish it whatever way you can. Everybody has their own style of garnishing the dish. This is how I have garnished my dish. Hope you like it. Today in this vlog I have shared my father's secret recipe. Hope you like this vlog. Please do share your experience with me in the comment section given below. See you next time with some more interesting vlogs. Take care and Happy New Year all of you. Have a great day. Bye bye.